So team, really quick while we got everybody out here, my name is Eric Gephart. I've been running around the world for the last couple of years cooking some really incredible stuff and storytelling really as we do, you know. And I fell in love with this beautiful salmon from the Arctic Circle region in Norway. We're gonna fold out 25, 35 different menu items for you tonight. Some are little small bites, some are larger bites. Pace yourselves. But you know, 3 generations of sustainable aquaculture north and in the Arctic Circle. These guys are best of the best practices. You can buy their fish in Whole Foods. You're starting to see it as the chef's salmon. So it's absolutely unreal. You know, and the fish is just kind of like a circle point, right? We're talking about sustainability, we're talking about best practices, we're talking about restaurants. People are talking about mental health in the restaurant industry. Like it's a congregation of great people and great ideas being discussed. So looking forward to throwing the next block party. There's gonna be 5 or 6 in 2024. Hope to see you in your town.